Welcome to your first Coderable lesson. Today, we're going to show you how to sign up for Scratch. Scratch is an online programming website, which we will be using for this course in Coderable. Okay, let's begin.
First, open your web browser and type in scratch.mit.edu. In the top right corner, you will see a button that says Join Scratch. Click on it. The first field will ask you to come up with your own username. Be creative, but don't use your real name. Next, create a password you will remember. Don't make your username your password, and make sure you create a strong password. Try to include at least one capital letter, a number, and a special character, like a period or exclamation point. Write down your password somewhere you'll remember.
Click the Next button once these steps have been completed. Now, you will be asked to enter the country you live in. After that, enter your birthday and gender. Finally, enter your email. Congratulations! You've created your Scratch account.